Alright people, welcome back with my channel. My channel is Aceh Jaya. Alright, this day I would like to promote 5 countries in United States, United Kingdom, Europe, and then Australia, including Netherlands. I want to tell you for a lot of people today. This is our location monument, the Nesero ship. You know what does that mean, Nesero ship? In 1882 until 1884 at that time, legging Tobias as captain in that Nesero ship from Surabaya came to the mail sail in France, is bringing the sugar. At that time he's hanging something seeing what in one of the part of the Panga village at that time. So the hero is called Tuku Imumuda as heroes here in Panga village. This taking lead that Nesero ship, and then the Tobias laying almost 20 passenger at the time in that Nevero, 20 passenger in that Nevero, and then 4 from United Kingdom, 2 from Italian, 3 from Dutch, and then the 4 from the German. This is arrested by Aceh hero at the time. At the time, shock words. Europe very shocked because the Aceh hero arrested from the Nesero ship. So this location, you can imagine that. Can you see this is the Nesero ship? Exactly, Nesero ship very famous. That not only Nesero ship but also the Tahun, including Tahun. That from Portugis ship. What is sing in my province Aceh. A lot of ship here sing because taking it by Aceh hero at the time. So if you want to see or visit to Indonesia, don't forget to start by here. We call a Panga village because they're very toy famous. Alright, I speed it up. Tata for now.
Lel balel. Memang luar biasa tapi pengamat sejarah. Iya. Dia menulis dia seluruh tahun bahasa Inggris.